In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Sims 4 won't open on Steam. If the Sims 4 isn't launching from your Steam library, don't worry, this quick walkthrough will get you back in the game. We'll make sure your files are intact. The EA app is healthy, and both launchers have the permissions they need. Start by verifying your game files in Steam. Open your Steam library, right-click The Sims 4. Choose Properties, then go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will compare what's on your PC with the official version and replace anything that's missing or corrupted. This process can take a few minutes depending on your drive and internet speed. So let it finish completely. If Steam finds issues, it will automatically re-download what's needed. Next, make sure the EA app is up to date and its cache is clean because the Steam version of The Sims 4 relies on it to launch. Open the EA app, click the three-line menu in the top corner. Go to Help and select App Recovery. Choose the option to clear the cache and let the app restart and update. Clearing the cache wipes out temporary data that can cause launch conflicts and ensures you are running the latest version. When it reopens, just wait for any updates to complete before trying to launch again. Now, give both Steam and the EA app the permissions they need by running them as an administrator. Right-click the Steam app, select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and check Run this program as an administrator. Then Apply. Do the same for the EA app. Elevated permissions can prevent file access issues and resolve situations where one launcher can't properly hand off to the other. If Windows prompts you to allow changes, confirm to proceed before you relaunch. Clear out any stuck background processes that might be blocking a fresh start. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. On the Processes tab, look for any EA app or EA background service entries. Select them and choose End Task. This makes sure you are starting clean, especially after updates or failed launches. With that done, go back to Steam and try launching The Sims 4 again. Verifying files ensures the game itself is sound. App Recovery refreshes the EA app. Administrator mode removes permission roadblocks. And closing background tasks clears conflicts. Taken together, these steps resolve most cases where The Sims 4 won't open on Steam. If it launches, you are all set. If not, repeat the verify and app recovery steps and try once more. Thanks for watching.